Hello everyone, this is your homework. Xin chào các bạn. Đây là bài tập về nhà của các bạn. Let's point, ask and answer. Okay. For example, it's Monday. What's the weather like? It's cold. Next, number 2. It's Tuesday. What's the weather like? It's windy. 3. It's Wednesday. What's the weather like? It's sunny. 4. It's Thursday. What's the weather like? It's hot. 5. It's Friday. What's the weather like? It's raining. 6. It's Saturday. What's the weather like? It's snowing. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.